Do you know the James Bond casting race is getting very interesting? For years, Henry Cavill has been one of the biggest fan favorite choice to become the next James Bond. But now something has happened that has brought Cavill's name back into the spotlight. His odds of becoming the next 007 suddenly jumped dramatically, while Amazon MGM is getting closer to choosing the actor who will replace Daniel Craig. So could Henry Cavill finally get the role he almost got 20 years ago? Well, there is one big problem. Let's break down everything we know right now. First, let's talk about the biggest confirmed news. The search for the next James Bond is officially happening. Amazon MGM is working on the new Bond movie, with Denis Villeneuve directing and Steve Knight writing the screenplay. And according to recent reports, the casting process has now reached another important stage, with more audition taking place. Even more interesting, producer Amy Pascal recently suggests that fans could hear official news about the next Bond by the end of 2026. That means we may not have to wait much longer. The next movie is expected to begin production in 2027 with a potential release in 2028. So this is not just an old Bond rumor anymore. The studio is actually getting closer to making the decision. Now let's talk about Henry Cavill. Cavill has been connecting James Bond for a very long time, and there is a real reason for that. Back in 2005, Cavill actually auditioned for the role of James Bond for Casino Royale. He was one of the final choice before Daniel Craig was selected. So imagine that Henry Cavill was almost James Bond before Daniel Craig, and now more than 20 years later, fans are asking the same question again. Could Cavill finally become 007? Recently, Cavill's batting odds improved dramatically. One report said his odds were cut from 20 to 1 to just 3 to 1 after a large amount of money was placed on him. That does not mean he has been cast, but it shows that the speculation around his name has suddenly become much stronger. And that's exactly why Bond fans are talking about him again. There is one major problem for Cavill: his age. Henry Cavill is now 43, and reports surrounding the new Bond suggest the producer may be looking for a younger actor who can potentially stay in the role for several movies. That could make things difficult for Cavill, because if Amazon MGM wants someone in their late 20s who can play Bond for a decade or longer, Cavill may not fit that plan. But there is another side to this. Cavill already looks like James Bond. He has the British background. He has action experience. He has already played a spy in The Man of U.N.C.L.E. He has also worked in major action franchises like Mission Impossible. So from a fan perspective, the casting makes almost too much sense. The question is whether the studio sees it the same way. And this is where things getting really interesting. Henry Cavill is not the only name being discussed. Callum Turner has been one of the major names connected to the role. He is younger than Cavill and already has experienced the major movies and action projects. Then there is Jack Lowden. His name has recently received a major boost after a report that he is being strongly considered. Lowden is especially interesting because he already plays a spy in the Apple TV series Slow Horse. Then we have Jacob Elordi, who has also been heavily rumored. There are several other names floating around too. And this is tell us something important. The studio has plenty of options. So even though fans desperately want Henry Cavill, we should not act like the decision have already been made. Right now, nobody outside the people making the decision can say with certainty who the next Bond will be. Here is the most important part. No, Henry Cavill has not been officially confirmed as James Bond. There is no official announcement for Amazon MGM saying Cavill is 007. What we have right now is combination of casting activity, industry reports, speculation, and Cavill's suddenly improved position in the betting market. And honestly, that makes this story more interesting because we are getting closer to the moment when the studio has to make the decision. If the announcement really comes before the end of 2026, we could soon find out whether Cavill get his second chance at the role. And personally, I think Cavill would be one of the safest choice. He already has the look, he has the action skill, he has the experience, and most importantly, millions of fans already want him. But Bond producer may want something completely different from the Daniel Craig era, and that could be the reason Cavill does not get the role. So after all these years, could Henry Cavill finally become James Bond? Right now the answer is maybe, but it's definitely not confirmed. The casting process is moving forward, the studio is getting closer to the decision, and an official announcement could reportedly come before the end of this year. And if Henry Cavill really is being seriously considered, we could be looking at one of the biggest casting announcements in Hollywood. But now I want to know, what do you think? Should Henry Cavill finally become James Bond, or should Amazon MGM choose someone younger like Khan Turner and Jack Lawden? Let me know in the comment. And if you want latest James Bond news, casting update and movie news, make sure to subscribe Screen Time with Azhar. I will see you in the next one.